Yeah, bro. Nigga. Nigga, I'm the fucking gift master, bro. All y'all niggas gotta do is just get on live, bro. They'll tell me to hop in that shit. I got y'all niggas, bro. But I gotta get more coins, though. I only got 200 left. I just spent all my fucking coins, gang. But fuck it, though. I can refill. So just get on live. I'll give y'all niggas, bro. Like, no bullshit. Talk about my fans, bro. Y'all just saw how I give this boy Ant and Famous Zach on live. That shit was crazy. That shit was crazy, gang. I'm trying to get some money out here, man. Just lost my job and shit. Well, I didn't lose it. I quit. Because, long story, bro. I told y'all the other day. That shit crazy. That shit was crazy, bro. But fuck it, though. I still got some coins left. All y'all gotta do is just go on live, bro. Got y'all game. No bullshit.